But Mthakathi sanibona. Ngicela ukubuza ukuthi uma uthi noma ngabe kwenzakalani siqikelele ukuthi umnotho awuchaphazeleki. Ngicabanga ukuthi iseluleko sikaThami Ntuli leso. Ngisacela nenkatha. Yilokho inkatha eselokhu ikwenza ukuvikela umnotho wabelungu. Ingakho kungekho ne-movement eyodwa abayenzile nanokutholela amaZulu aseZululand imisebenzi njengoba esitake lapha emahostela kuqashwa ama-foreigner inkatha ivikela umnotho wabelungu. Umnotho wabelungu yiwona ovula imingcele yezwe ukuthi ulethe ama-black foreigner. Umnotho wabelungu okwenza lokho. Umnotho wabelungu awukaze ukufihle ukuthi usekelwe ekutheni usebenzisa ama-foreigner. Migrant labor yi-foundation yelento yomnotho wabelungu. So uthi thina sivikela umnotho wabelungu lo okuyiwona osigqilazayo ngoba uThami Ntuli nenkatha benza lokho. Sinesizathu why saphuma kwinkatha masibone ukuthi thina sasicabanga ukuthi leyo nkatha or inkatha sasicabanga ukuthi ithi asivikele umnotho ukuze siuguqule usebenzele thina sonke. Cha, abakwenzanga lokho enkatheni. Abakwenzanga nakancane. Banede bangena ku-1994 kwavele baba ama-security guard okuvikela abelungu. Babuza oThami Ntuli, zibuze nawe uqhamuka kwinkatha ukuthi iyiphi into inkatha eyenzile ukususa umnotho ekutheni uphathwe abelungu abafika ama-colonialist neningi labo liseyama-colonialist. Yikuphi abakwenzile okuphathekayo ongakubala ukuthi bakwenzile ukuthi bawususe lo mnotho ngenkani if needed be ukuthi usuke kubelungu uze kubantu abamnyama noma kube owethu sonke. Sivezeleke lapho okukhombisa khona ukuthi kwenzekile lokho. Sicela niyasitsheli ngama-privileged blacks ambalwa yi-manager or whatever. Sicela ukuthi nisikhombise i-lifestyle change yomuntu omnyama as the economy transformer. Where is economic transformation? Because yonke i-economic data izokhombisa ukuthi abelungu baye bawubamba kanje lo mnotho. Leyo DA leyo inkatha yazi kahle ukuthi iyanquma ukuthi ithi i-BEE i-reverse apartheid. Base ke masebezenze ama-victim ngo-1996 base bebamba kwalowo mnotho lo these so-called liberals belungu be-DA. Asisakhulumi-ke nangamabhunu la into eyenziwe yi-DA. So babamba ibona vele selokhu be-owner lo mnotho walelizwe namabhunu azilwela kulezi khohlakali zama-white colonialist. Amabhunu azilwela ukuthi akhona ukuzikhulula because nawo amabhunu ayengavumelekile ukungena kulo mnotho. Ayengavumelekile ukungena kulo mnotho okwakuthiwa before 1948 ama-British merchants sort of. So amabhunu ayezame njengamaZulu na ayezama ngaleso sikhathi ayezame ukukhanda ama-factory bebablocker, bezame ukukhanda izinto eziningi bebablocker. Into eyaziyalekelela ke amabhunu ukuthi kwaba ne-World War II okwenza ukuthi iBritain le eyayisibambe kanje ukuthi ingasakhona ukufocusa nokuletha ezinye izinto kule South Africa because zonke izinto babezikhiqiza kule ya Britain yabo ukuze thina sibe imiphakathi yama-consumer so that bezoloku besiphethe. Amabhunu ngaleso sikhathi bathola intuba ke yokuthi benjani badlondlobale bakhanda ama-factory ngenkathi iBritain ingasenayo indlela yokuthi ikhona ukusupply lamazwe amazwe ekade wagcindezela emhlabeni. That is how Broederbond and Boere rose up when there was war against on earth during World War II. So the Boere economy rose when there was war on earth. Before then bebe bablokile bengakhona ukwenzani bona as amabhunu. iBroederbond ikhandeka ngaleso sikhathi ke during the war lapho bekhona ke ukuzicebisa babebulawa amangisi bona self beyamabhunu. So now leyo economy ayikaziphele isoloku iqhubeka kodwa ke icishe ingakhona ukuba ilento ekade iyona before 1948 ngokuthi at least amabhunu noma aye nobandlululo ke lwawo kodwa abeqinisekisa ukuthi umnotho uhlala la eSouth Africa. Kunede kwangena ku1994 laba ama-colonialist bathatha iy'mali zethu bazimukisa eBritain bayofaka kuma-stock exchange ase-England. That's what happened during Thabo Mbeki. Bathatha Old Mutual bayoba-investa kuma-stock exchange ase-England. Yinto yethu leyo. Thina fanele sivikele ilento i-England thina. Fanele sifele abelungu base-England. Fanele sifele abelungu base-Europe thina. We were not born to be servants of white people. We were not born to be servants of white people. So we cannot yonke into esicabanga fasiloko sicabanga ukuthi umlungu uzothini, because lento le fasisho ukuthi siyawuvikela umnotho kabani lo senze sure ukuthi siyawuvikela okabani. So asikwazi ukuvikela into engasiyo eyethu futhi kangakanani esicindezelayo manje phambi kwakho bhuti i-poverty rate yabantu abamnyama u-64% and then eyabelungu u-4% kuphela. It's only 4% i-poverty yabelungu, eyabantu abamnyama u-64%. So leyo nto ikhombisa ukuthi i-economy iphethwe abelungu ngoba noma ngabe yiphi imithetho eshaywe yi-ANC ayizange ibachaphazele bena babamba nje lo mnotho ukuthi owabo. So thina fasilela umnotho wabo lo osilambisa kanje lo ovula imingcele abelungu ayindi kuyakubona phambi kwakho nalapha eThekwini angithi abelungu be-DA abaqasha ama-foreigner. Awukuboni lokho? Angithi ibona abaqasha ama-foreigner phambi kwakho. So yibona abavulele lizwe imingcele. Uhlezi wabona ama-NGO abo evula imingcele. I-Helen Suzman Foundation yi-DA, yilokho-ke i-DA ekumele. So wonke umuntu omnyama inkatha yi-ANC osebenzisana ne-DA bayingxenye yokuthi izwe livule imingcele ngoba angeke uyoma nabantu abalwa nesizwe sakini bese wena uthi awuli nesizwe sakini. Nawe uyingxenye yabantu abalwa nesizwe sakini. Umnotho kabani ofanele uvikelwe? Asinawo umnotho. Fanele sivikele umnotho wethu as Black and Zulu South Africans. That is what we are supposed to fight for. Our economy, not their economy. They decided ukuthi it is their economy. That is why sifunde saphasa better than them. Ngisho nase-tertiary mina I was top 10 kwi-chemical engineering class Natal Technikon called DUT today. Where am I? Baphike la belungu abazidomo ekade ngiphase kangcono kunabo. I'm sure bayi-manager over thousands of black people. Why? Because they are white. That is a white economy. I have no business protecting white economy. We have no business to protect a white economy. The economy that we thought we are building is a South African economy. They never even started to build the South African economy. They failed as these blacks abalapha kwi-CODESA. Actually, naleyo CODESA was a smoke screen because decisions were taken long ago. The time beyothenga labadayisi exile 1987. That's when decisions were taken. CODESA was just a smoke screen to bluff us as though konke yenzakalayo. Umnotho kabani empeleni iwona kanyeke lo mnotho fanele uvele uphele kwakhiwa umnotho weSouth Africa. Because as long as banje ngobhuzwana belungu akukho lapho esizoke siye khona, because bazoloku belawula ipolitiki njengoba belawula kuyimanje. Yingakho bebize abafana babo abantu abamnyama ukuze bezovikela abantu i-economy yabo nge-GNU. Ukubiza abafana bakho uyayithatha igunya i-DA yokuthi ihlanganise kwa-GNU. Labantu abamnyama babona ukuthi i-DA yiyo engasi efanele i-lead ilentuza iplan yokusave iSouth Africa bebesho ukuthini iDA ke yayithanda iSouth Africa ngamuphi unyaka and then sizoba yibo abaholi bokusave iSouth Africa kwakungcono noma mhlawumbe bethe bona as blacks babiza ile abelungu abathize ukuthi bazobalekelela ke ukusave akubona yiDA ebabizile kusho ukuthi iDA iyakutshengisa ukuthi ngoba iyona ephethe umnotho nezinkantolo ze-country iyona edecidayo ukuthi ubani ophathayo yilokho okushiwo yizenzo ze-DA. So thina namanje uHelen Zille usegijime weza la eGoli usezudecide ukuthi thina bazophatha nobani eGoli. Leyo yimentality yomuntu ozazi ukuthi owner icountry bayi-owner kanjani icountry nge-economy yabo ne-judiciary yabo le evikele noCyril Ramaphosa bathina first gincisana kanti i-freedom kwakho ukuthi sivote kuphela. That is a smoke screen. That's a deception. That's not freedom. Freedom is everything, including economic freedom, including judiciary freedom. The DA has never loved Zulus first and foremost. The DA has opposed every tradition, culture of the Zulu nation first and foremost. Ayikho into engihlanganisa ne-DA. So akukho mnotho wabelungu efanele siuvikele fanele sivikele umnotho wethu abantu base South Africa not owama foreign colonialist whites of Europe. We can talk about the Freedom Front Plus namabhunu because those are settlers, but to entertain ama interest ama foreigner, that's not our business. The DA whites are foreigners like ama black foreigners la esikhuluma ngawo. If you are talking about white South Africans singakhuluma ke ngamabhunu hayi labo dodi be DA ama foreigner lawo nabo bonke impi lesilwayo fanele ibaqonde bona kanye ngoba kahle hle abaphehli balama open border yibo kanye iDA. So umuntu omnyama wase South Africa ozigqajayo onga partnerisha neDA izitha ze-South Africa hayi bazalwane masanda ukudlala ngathi economic freedom right now asikwazi ukubanjwa kanje iDA uyathola because yingakho benza bo run manipulation ukuze ba control ukuthi ubani oba ugovernment yingakho benza yonke le dodi abawenza kule country yethu because baphethe lo mnotho akufanele umnotho wezwe uphathwe abelungu base Europe. That is wrong. Yilento sasiyilwela even before 1994. Ime kanjani leyo project because the number one project priority was to take back economy ye Africa to black African hands. Yilento yenziwa Burkina Faso. South Africa was supposed to do that long time ago. The only thing that we said ukuthi asikwenze peaceful. Peaceful awusebenzelanga abelungu bayadelela. They have got no interest to transformation. So something else has to give. You can't keep on doing one and the same thing and expecting different results. We did it peacefully for 30 years and they refused transformation. They set up institutions to block BEE and then they now use scapegoating, say cadre deployment as though it is the failure of black people. Cadre deployment and BEE are not the same thing. And by the way, it is white people who taught ANC cadre deployment. It is they who themselves, as white corporates, but they picked as ANC cadres to empower into billionaires njambo Cyril Ramaphosa laba ababacontrolayo ababavikelayo mabona basemaceleni kodwa ozuma kucacile ukuthi waye zama ukutransforma lo mnotho from white people to black hands. So yilokho abamzondela kona secacile because it wasn't about state capture because the actual state capturers are white people. So you expect us to keep on nursing that system. Baphakela mthakathi masilwe nabantu abacindezela izwe lethu abantu who are we are focusing ku level yethu yabantu abasetshenziswa kusicindezela which are these mass migrants, black foreigners, but akusibo kuphela who are foreign invaders. The DA whites which is running our economy are foreign invaders themselves. Angikhulumi ngabelungu abama-settler. Ngikhuluma ngabis colonialists who are settled in our country but whose interests are Europe. So those are not South Africans. They too need to face our might, same way as these floods of Pakistani, Nigerian, Zimbabwean, Malawian, Mozambican black foreigners must get the hell out of here. Nabo beyide because bayazonda. Endless proof to that regard. They too eventually must get the hell out, because they hate black South Africans. That is why they have guts to take a decision as DA whites who originate from Europe. Njabo Helen Zille, she originates from Europe. They are taking decisions which blacks they are going to bring into South Africa to replace black South Africans. And then I've got a duty to protect such whites. Those whites are telling you every day, they don't want you, that they consider themselves as owners of South Africa. Nina niyavuma ukuthi ba owner South Africa, because if you're busy, asivikele umnotho wakabani. These whites are not South African. They are Europeans who are staying in South Africa. Every policy of theirs is about the interest of Europeans, not South African black natives. If you're talking about people who are interested in South Africa, we can talk about white settlers, not from Stellenbosch. Those are European French thugs. I'm talking about Dutch white settlers. We can talk about those ones. Not European invaders who are registered as citizens but are actually citizens of Europe. Let's not talk about those people. Those are invaders similar to these people that we are fighting against. So all of them must get the hell out of our country. Thank you.